Hi there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au with another product spotlight. Today we're looking at the Ainslie Bullion 10-ounce minted silver bar right here. Let's have a look a little bit more closely. I will put a link to the product page in the info section of the YouTube page and as part of the pinned comment. And of course, if you're seeing this on Twitter or Instagram, etc., I'll put the relevant links in the relevant places. Let's take a beautiful little close-up look here. Of course, you have the Ainslie Bullion logo at the top. You've got your denomination, 10 troy ounces of silver. That's 999 fine silver, of course. And you have Ainslie Bullion in text just there. And down below, what you'll notice is they are individually serialized, as you can see. Let's take a look at the reverse side. What I really like is the beautiful little mini Ainslie Bullion logos surrounding the entire back of the bar, plus a little map of Australia as well. I think that adds a nice little touch. And what astute viewers will recognize is they are individually shrink wrapped. Now that is to protect them from the elements. So you're getting a great bar here, and we think of course at a very good price too. So if you head over to ainslieBullion.com.au, again click the relevant links below, take you to the individual product page. We have quite a few in stock at the moment. Of course, when they run out, they run out. We always try to make more as soon as we can, but of course you got to get in quick. Just wanted to show you as well, I put these against the backdrop of an Ainslie Bullion 100-ounce bar. How beautiful and chunky are they? Of course, they're available on the website as well. So that's it. Really quick product spotlight. We hope you like, share, and subscribe. And what do you think about the minted bars? Let us know in the comment sections, whether you're on YouTube or Twitter or Instagram. Let us know what you think about the Ainslie minted silver bars. That's it, everyone. Take care. Like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for choosing Ainslie.